The volatility energy. Active volatility energy price. The volatility energy price mass indicator for
market that you know, you've used the word illuminated in your title. It brings illumination, and where there's light, there's less fear, and so there's no doubt. You see it truly for what it is, and so intuitively you're able to make those decisions, even though you're using the information that you truly need. All these indicators that we're learning, and
the volatility energy price mass indicator. The volatility energy price mass indicator. The reason why for everybody here, as I'm sure that everybody's probably aware, the reason why I'm having Elena put in the CCI, 2 CCI, and obviously with the indicator code that's provided within the CCI in the indicator package, you can see that there's a little red arrow pointing down, and of course another green arrow pointing up. Well, what do those arrows mean exactly? And what they mean is basically we've experienced a period where CCI in our 14, and these signals are being drawn on the 100 period, where we have traded outside of the first standard deviation, meaning that our subset distribution has been on the move. And the arrows are actually designed so the distribution must cross above the second standard deviation, and it must cross back below the first standard deviation of the containment zone. And if we remember, containment zone obviously is, in terms of CCI, is mean absolute deviation versus just regular standard deviation. But if we add 1.25 standard deviation Bollinger Bands, we have the same result as that negative 100 to positive 100 in CCI. And so the volatility energy price mass indicator, the volatility energy price mass indicator, the volatility energy price mass indicator follows Newtonian physics in that force equals mass times acceleration. The volatility energy price mass indicator, and obviously again short-term volatility expansion before long-term volatility indicates a significant move both up or down. And virtually every single move where we see subset distribution expansion, we will see price action follow, as noted in obviously the brief expansion period that we see the pound US dollar decline from the one spot 62371 area down to one spot 6119, where we begin to see price mass consolidate, and of course directly lateral trading as mentioned previously. Again, then when we see price mass begin to expand again on a short-term basis, we see the pound US dollar rally from one spot 62152 all the way up into the one spot 6370 roughly area. And then of course once we start to see price mass compress one more time, we see our prices move directly laterally. One more time, this indicator is far and above any other in the market, in that while we always believe that we should be looking for an indicator or a direction of up or down, truly some of the most beneficial information within markets is simply that of knowing whether there is even the hope, the likelihood of trending, or obviously whether lateral trading or continued pullback will ensue within markets. Again, this is Mark Whistler, and I certainly hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to Wave PM, Whistler Active Volatility Energy Price Mass, and if there is volatility energy price mass indicator follows. Thanks for sharing. I feel like we're like in a group therapy session here. Thanks for sharing. This is where everybody comes to get their trading aggression off of their chest. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. So,
Traders Anonymous. Yeah.
Traders Anonymous, that's what it is, seriously. God grant me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, and please give me my money back. That's our motto. Okay. The volatility energy price mass